This is me, Zeke, all-around good guy, video editor, newly unemployed and single, former radio personality. This is single house husband of the Twin Cities. So at Ikea, I got 3 of these dang chairs that I had to put together myself. So here's a video of me putting it together. But let's not talk about the instructions and how difficult they are. I don't read those. Who reads those anyways? Who do you actually read instructions? No. So after putting together all the chairs and everything else, I looked at the bench and decided it needed to be refabricated. So where do I go? Joann Fabrics. And I find some interesting fabrics in there and do everything else like that. And
I'm getting my bachelor skills together.
Here's a little bit of the progress that I made on the bench, the before and after fabric that I'm working with. Can we talk about how cool Joann Fabrics is actually? All the fabrics that are in there. I love the store so much I had to go back for more fabric because as men do, we don't measure everything. We just go with the flow. We say, we need this much. Yeah, here's the final project. Anyways, tune in for the next episode where maybe I do some painting. And remember to follow me at HiZeke on all social media platforms to see the next episode.